If you want to turn on Radio DJ in Forza Horizon 6, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find it and how to enable it in just a few seconds. This is a simple setting, but if you're new to the game, it can be easy to miss inside the audio menu. So in this video, I'll walk you through the steps clearly so you can get it turned on without any confusion. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides just like this. It really helps the channel, and I've got plenty more quick tips coming your way. Alright, let's get started. First, open Forza Horizon 6 on your console or PC and wait for the main game menu to load. Once you're in the game, navigate to the settings menu. This is where all of the important gameplay, display, and audio options are stored, so that's where we need to go next. Inside settings, look for the audio section and select it. The audio menu controls things like music volume, effects volume, voice settings, and radio-related options. Since we're trying to turn on Radio DJ, this is the correct place to make that change. Now, scroll down through the audio settings until you find the Radio DJ option. Depending on your screen size and menu layout, it may take a moment to get to it, so just keep scrolling carefully until you see it listed. Once you find Radio DJ, turn it on. If it's currently off, switch it to the on position so the feature is enabled. After that, the settings should be active, and you'll be able to use Radio DJ while playing. If the option doesn't seem to save right away, just back out of the menu normally and return to the game. In most cases, the setting applies immediately, but it's always a good idea to double check if needed. And that's it. You've now turned on Radio DJ in Forza Horizon 6. It only takes a few steps. Open the game, go to settings, choose audio, scroll down to Radio DJ and switch it on. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Forza Horizon 6 tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.